Aloha and welcome back to my channel, Easy Hawaiian. Today we're gonna do a Christmas wreath because Christmas is right around the corner. It's in a few weeks now, and so being in the Pacific Northwest is wonderful because there's all these pine trees around. Anyway, there was a windstorm last week, and I was able to pick up a whole bunch of pines that was on the ground. They're mostly Douglas fir, but there's other things that you can use also. Whatever pine or greenery that you have, as long as they're not poisonous, just make sure. So I'm going to show you really quickly how we did it. So first you got to collect your greens, whatever that's going to be. So in our case, we used the pines. And you're going to need the hay ring. You can find it at Michael's or whatever craft store. It's the wreath that's made out of hay. Now it comes, when you buy it, it comes with the plastic wrapping. Leave the plastic wrapping on because that'll help keep the hay together. The next thing you're going to need is what's called S pins or floral pins. And it has an S shape and it looks like a U-nail, except it's really thin. It's wire. The other thing that you can use is the floral picks. So it's like a big toothpick with a wire at the end, and you will tie your ornaments on there to add it to your decorations. So first thing you want to do is get your hay wreath, and then you're going to start placing bundles of greenery down onto that with one of the S pins. So you want to do it across the front, the sides, and in the middle. And do whatever way you want to. There's no right, there's no wrong. Once you're done with that, then you start decorating and putting on your like the little ornamental balls, or we did some reindeer. You can put ribbons. I use lichen in mine, and even the pine cones. They have the smaller pine cones that'll fit. So there's different sizes of wreath that you can buy. I use the 12-inch. That seems to be a nice size because then it'll fit, on a normal size door. But main thing is you're having fun and enjoy, and just have a wonderful Christmas holiday. Stay safe. Mele kalikimaka, as we say in Hawaii. Ahui ho! Thanks again for watching. Again, this is Kehao at Easy Hawaiian. Malama pono. Remember to click the like button if you want to, and also if you want more, click the bell so that you would be subscribing, and then when I put a new one out, then you'll automatically get it. And I usually put one out about every other week. Alright, thank you, and a hui ho.